Once upon a time. Oh, not the typo. Let's do it again. Once upon a time. There's this girl who loves writing down everything. But of course, she's not writing down everything correctly.
Now I can go and investigate and see what's going on. The Show Details button, highlighted in green, there's a match between the baseline and what was extracted. In this case, I can hover over and see that this got the date slightly incorrect. And I could go in and look at that document by clicking on the hyperlink. We can see that, and then I can drill down into my line items to take a look and see how those line items work.